Everyone wants to earn from home, but most never make it past the first few steps. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jason, and this is Earning with Jason, where we keep things simple, real, and beginner-friendly. It's not because they're lazy, it's because no one showed them how to start the right way. If you've ever tried and felt stuck, this video is for you. The biggest reason most people fail at earning from home is simple: they expect results overnight. They see someone online flashing success, so they try a program for a few days, and when the money doesn't roll in or start falling from the sky, they quit. Building income from home takes time, patience, and small, consistent wins stacked daily. The second reason people fail at earning from home is lack of focus and consistency. Most people jump from one thing to the next, hoping that one is the one that works. But the truth is, progress only shows up when you stick with one plan long enough to learn, apply, and improve. The third mistake is trying to do everything manually. Without a simple system or a way to track what's working, it's easy to waste time guessing. Using tools that help automate and provide tracking keeps you focused on what actually produces results, instead of spinning your wheels in areas that don't. Before we wrap up, just a quick disclaimer: everything shared here is for educational and informational purposes only. I don't make any income guarantees because your results depend on your own effort and consistency. Some of the links below are affiliate links, and I may earn a small commission if you choose to use them, which helps support the channel and keeps this content free for you. The good news? Anyone can fix these mistakes starting today. Keep your expectations real, stay focused, and use tools that make your business run smoother. That's why I use a simple, affordable system, just $10 a month, that connects everything together. It includes tracking, automation, and even built-in traffic sources, all from one link. You'll get step-by-step video instructions, no tech skills required, and multiple residual income streams built right in. If you're ready to finally put the pieces together and start earning from home the smart way, click the first link in the description to see how it all works. And if you found value in this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.